Johnson's class? All right, today we are working on estimating products. And we are doing that by rounding and estimating products, right?
Yeah.
All right, do you guys know what an estimate is?
Yeah.
An estimate is to guess an answer based on what?
The info that you already have.
Info you already have, good. Benchmark. A benchmark is a well-known or not well-known number?
Well-known number.
Are they easy to calculate with?
Yes.
Compatible numbers are numbers that go...
Together.
They go well together, kind of like when you put your fingers together, right? Yes. Okay, cool. When rounding, finish the sentence. 5 and above?
Give it a shove.
4 and below?
Leave it alone.
What are we talking? When I say 5 and above, what number has to be 5 and above in order to give it a shove? The boss gives the place value number the shove, right?
Yeah.
Or the boss leaves the place value number alone, right?
Yeah.
After you change or you leave the place value number alone, what happens to all the numbers after it?
It becomes 0.
They become zeros, right?
Yep.
Okay, good. All right. We need to know how to estimate for 2 reasons. Number 1, it helps us to see if an answer is,
Reasonable.
and it also makes the math.
Easier and faster.
So 24 times 39, right?
Yep.
If you want to do 24 times 39, you do all of that, yes?
Yes.
But if you want to just get a basic idea of what 24 times 39 is, we simply would take 24 and we would change it to, is that a nicer number than 24?
Yeah.
And then if we want to make 25 and find a nice compatible number that goes with it, what's a really nice number?
40.
39 could be 40. And we know that 25 and 40 are compatible numbers because is 25 times 4 a math problem you guys can do in your brain?
Yeah.
Muna, I should be up here. 25 times 4, 25, 50, 75, 100. Add that last 0, 1,000, yes? How about this? If these are my 2 numbers I'm multiplying with, do 4 and 6 make it a lot easier? Yes or no?
Yes.
Compatible numbers? To estimate, we want to find compatible numbers by using rounding, or by using that one word, starts with a B.
Benchmark.
We okay with all this, people?